Hey everyone, we have put together a special art list for you to give to your loved one. You just mark the numbers that you want. And I think you'll enjoy seeing how this list turns out. You ready?
Sure. All right.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a master oil painting membership. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6-week master course, 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 tubes of paint, 6-week course, 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 paper towels, 7 tubes of paint, 6-week course, 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid and a master oil painting membership. Oh, I just need to stop for a minute. This is very thirsty work. I mean, goodness, we're only on 8. Okay, we're ready now. This is the 9th day, and we'll have 9 art books, 8 rolls of paper towels, 7 tubes of paint, 6-week course. Oh, I'm off. Now we're on 4 palette knives, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid, and a master oil painting membership. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 painting panels, 9 art books, 8 rolls of paper towels, 7 tubes of paint, 6-week course, 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid, and a master oil painting membership. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 paint brushes, 10 painting panels, 9 art books, 8 rolls of paper towels, 7 tubes of paint, 6-week course, 5 golden collectors, 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid, and a master oil painting membership. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a 12 by 16 frame, 11 paint brushes, 10 painting panels, 9 art books, 8 rolls of paper towels, 10 tubes of paint, 6-week course, 7 tubes of paint. Oh, I'm going back up, sorry. 4 palette knives, 3 French easels, 2 tubs of turpenoid, and a master oil painting membership.
Well, that was great.
There's your Christmas list.
Yes. Now I need to do something about making that Christmas list complete with all these things you just mentioned. All right, everyone. Have a Merry Christmas. I've been looking at the wrong thing. Merry Christmas, everyone, and I hope you get to paint on all 12 days of it. Have fun and happy painting.